Kai, good day viewers. Today is another day we have come to the farm to harvest our beans. This is how we harvest beans. It is not an easy task. The beans you see that you eat and get tall, this is the process. A very long process. After planting, you weed, you leave it. After about 3 months, you get it dry like this, and then you begin to pick it one. And if time permits, I'll make sure I bring all the processes live on video for you to see. I missed the planting time. I didn't record it. You'd have also seen that one. But I promise that if you subscribe and mark the bell notification to all, you'll find out that each time we upload this video, so you never get to miss any of them. You will be among the first people to view it. I'll be doing a video almost every week. At least one video will drop. But right now we are in the harvesting season. We have harvested almost all the crops we have. Almost all. So we'll have to wait for the rains to come down again before farming activities will resume. But right now we have some grains that we need to process, like rice. Bags of rice is in our store. We have bags of rice in our store. So I promise, if you subscribe, when we are processing it, when we are milling it, you will see how they mill rice, from the parboiling stage to the stoning, polishing, milling. All of them, you see them. So if you have any future ambition to go into farming, you go into farming with an idea of what farming is. So stay tuned. This video is going to be long. I promise you will get some fascinating revelations during the time of this video. Just be patient. So grab your popcorn. Let's work together. You can see me using my bare hand to plug them, pick them one after the other. The farm is very big. Let me show you the expanse of the farm. Yeah, this is it. It spans through. Yeah, you see, that's my car there. Yeah, we park. Yeah, so I have to shift. And when you see me bending down like this and standing up, an old man like me, you find out it's not easy. The waist, everything tells on you through your waist. If you're watching and wondering where we are, this is Abuja, Nigeria. Yeah, I do farming as a part-time job, just doing it for fun. I know you must have been spotting out a lot of mistakes here, but I'm just doing it for fun. I'm not a regular farmer. In fact, this is my first time farming. This first season farming. I've never been a farmer before. Where I come from, we are predominantly fishermen, and that's what we do. But since I found myself in this part of the country, I just have to do what the Romans do since I'm in Rome. and I'm enjoying it seriously. I'm enjoying them. Hi, my waist. You can see some other farmers, they are going to their farm, maybe to pick beans. I don't know whether you can capture them from here. Let me zoom it a bit. Yeah, that's them. And this is me. Yes. Oh God. So we are going to the next place. Please stay with me. Oh. We're here together, we learn together, we grow together. While I pick these beans. By the time you pick and fill up one of these buckets, you will know that you have really exercised your body. The farming is a kind of task that you do and nothing goes to waste. You exercise your body, you get food from the crops, even the things that you think are waste from the crops, animals eat it. Everything, nothing goes to waste in farming. Yeah, let's go ahead. Yeah. Okay. The beans is such a funny crop that after picking them like this, if you go further and just turn back again, you will still see the one that you've not picked. I don't know how you manage to miss them. It's just unexplainable. You check, double check, and when you go further, turn back to that place that you just checked. You will still see something that needs your attention. That's it. All these places I'm picking, I picked them before. Very funny crop. This one has so many of it. Right. Okay, I don't think I've picked here before. I can't leave too many like this. Yeah. This area they have so much good yield. Good yield. So many on one tree or one stem. What should I call it? I told you I'm not a farmer, so pardon the terminologies used. Ordinarily, I'm supposed to hire some villagers to do this work for me. But I just need to do this YouTube video so that people will learn and benefit from what I do as a starter. Yeah, everything is manual. Nothing here. We didn't deploy any machine for any of these things. Oh, see one. I was about to leave this one. And I'm sure if I turn back here again, I'll still see. I don't know how they managed to appear. Yeah, let me leave that side. I'm sure I did this place, but now I'm still seeing some, like 3. Okay. Wow, so tiring. My waist. And one thing I do is once I get pains from this kind of exercise, I don't take any painkiller because I believe that those pains build up the muscles. So you allow it to do its time and leave. It will definitely leave. Nothing will stop it. God, this one is so dry. So dry. I don't know who knows this insect. God, it has gone. So much insects, so because this is the dry season. So back here, and this is the north central area, part of Nigeria, where everything is to the extreme. If you want to get cold, it gets cold as if you're in Europe, Ukraine or Russia. When it wants to get dry and hot, you begin to feel you're in the desert to the extreme. This is good. See, I've gone almost half of the bucket. We will stay. I hope people can stay till I fill up this bucket.